We would like to highlight three parameters where we are looking for some clarification from the government side. First, Excel utility is not available for GSTR 9 and 9C. So it is expected from the government side they should come back by what date it would be available. Second, 31st December 2018 is the last date. We are working on 3rd December. Utility is not available. So what are the chances? It is going to be extended because trade also requires some time for the preparation of same. And third and foremost, this GSTR 9 and 9C has got many points for which trade is looking for some kind of simplification.
Audit is nothing but a simple reconciliation, and reconciliation we see this is like a bank reconciliation, but it's a new law, so a lot of complications are there to understanding the each and every term, and the term interpretation is an issue, and filling this reconciliation is an issue. In fact, SSC as well as the auditors are finding to close the audit in the prescribed manner within the law.